Quick one today on checking if the fridge is on a GFI because I've been rewiring these so the fridge is not on the GFI. As long as the fridge isn't running, this one's on the GFI, so it means I need to rewire it.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Testing, see if the fridge is on the GFI. It is on the GFI, so we're going to want to change that. I'm going to reset it for now so I can verify I've got the power off. Turn the breaker off.
Of course, if the fridge light had not turned off, then it's not on the GFI.
Got kitchen plugs, kitchen dishwasher. Could just turn them all off. I'm going to turn those off and see if we got it. Yeah. And I've still got the kitchen light, so that's good. Do this. Hopefully. It's a little tricky to film these sometimes to get a good view, but what we're going to do is put it all online. Move the wires down so that they're online instead. Right now it's line and load. We're going to change it so that it's just online. So just this outlet will be on the GFI, which is perfect because this outlet will be on GFI, but the fridge will not. A little better that way. Get a power failure or something, and everything else in the fridge is on this GFI, which controls all of those outlets. So that's a good thing. Making things safer now. Sometimes these have multiple neutrals, and then in that instance we need to, this one, we can just bring the neutral down and the hot down. Sometimes there'll be already two neutrals on the bottom one and one neutral on the top, and in that instance, so it's what we need to do is make a pigtail with 3 of the wires and bring them together using a wire nut, and this one will be much easier. I'll have to do. I'll just bring these down to the line. Stubborn, a little stuck. Oh, come on. Come on. All I need is enough is to take this one and put it on the bottom one, and then take the top one. There we go. Got loosened up. So I like to move both of these to the very bottom, and then move this one to the bottom top, and this one to the bottom top. Because what it's got is this is line, and then these are load. But we'll be switching them all to online, but this way in the future, if somebody wanted to do something different, it makes it a little easier to identify what's what. So putting all these on line, just like that. We'll tighten it all down. that side. And now the other side, the same thing. Bring the one that's in there down one. Again, just for future reference. There we go. Bring this one right here. Nice and tight. Now we're all online. Flip our wires into the box. There we go. Reset our screws, and we'll be all set. I'll go turn my breaker back on, and then we'll verify this is no longer controlled by the GFI. Just this outlet will be on the GFI, and the fridge no longer. Alright. There we go. Good. And steel here. All right. There we go. I'll go reset the breaker. Okay, fridge is back on. And I'll trip the GFI. Now the fridge is no longer on the GFI. And we reset our GFI. Now just this is on the GFI. And it's a done deal. Alright. Done deal.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.